Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Lieutenant Commander Tarun, retired officer. Served Navy for 10 years in the aviation technical domain. And with all the experience I had while as a maintainer of MiG-29K aircrafts and Com-31 helicopters, serving on INS Vikramaditya for 2.5 years, I've tried to implement all those learning as a maintainer into what systems we are developing. So we very well understand the problems. So I'll keep it very short, but talk about the most important part of the drone, the payload. So we design, develop and manufacture indigenous drone camera payloads. We are aiming towards ultra compact, AI driven, autonomous payloads. Now when I talk about payload, it is the most crucial component of a drone in terms of functionality because that defines the role of the drone. And cost wise, because the cost of a payload varies from 30 to 70% of the entire cost of the drone. Now, while we were starting, we identified a few problems which we have implemented in our solutions. The first problem is gap in the market. There is no Indian company who has been able to develop indigenous drone camera payloads, and thankfully with 4 years of R&D, we have been able to do that. Non-availability of IP tech restricts innovation and customized solutions. As on date, industry uses off-the-shelf products from other countries, friendly or unfriendly countries, but our problems are different. Our domain is different, our terrains are different. We are working in extreme temperatures and terrains. So those off-the-shelf solutions cannot be the right fit. So there is a need to offer customized solutions, which is only possible when we own the technology. National security and supply chain risk, which you all very well understand. And another big issue is repairability. Like I was a maintainer, we used to just, because a small PCB used to go faulty, the entire equipment was kept unserviceable for a year. So we have very well identified these problems and trying to solve it. So our focus is very clear: indigenous IP and full tech stack, good repairability solutions, secure and supply chain resilient solutions, and also offer state-of-art technology which is in line with what's happening across the world and how this drone and anti-drone technology is evolving. So what is the big deal? Why there are no hardware companies developing products like this from scratch? This product looks simple, but it's a complex electromechanical product. There are so many moving parts, electronics, everything has to be precise. Everything has to come together, whatever you can see on the screen, within a minimum weight and size. And that's a challenge. As I said, we have been able to do that, and still long way to go to compete with the world leaders, but we are on the right path. So where have we reached? We have been able to develop 4 products under EO and IR category. The two top, you can see 2 of the products under electro-optic camera payload and 2 models under thermal IR payload category. A few functionalities are under R&D. We would be soon offering a 360-degree continuous rotation. Edge AI capability would be integrated within our payload. And we also have a patent pending on one of the technology which would be coming very soon, which will give us the capability to make our payloads ultra compact. And in future there would be some additional advanced AI features which would be integrated, and ultimately we are trying to reach and make ultra compact autonomous payloads where most of the decisions will be taken within the payload itself. A few of our models I was talking about, the EO payload, we call it Gaze series. Now when I talk about these products, this has lowest weight in this segment, what we have been able to do. Detection range of 3,000 plus meters, best in class image quality and stabilization, one touch focus and extreme low light mode. The low light mode is best suited for, while if we are using swappable payloads, these are best suited for dawn and dusk conditions. Thermal payload, we have the capability to provide payloads of very small size with a human detection range of 200 meter, and we can go up to 2 kilometers. We have our own all our payloads come with integrated 3-axis stabilized gimbal, which is completely developed by us, and it is extremely robust gimbal, comes with advanced FOC algorithm in fusion with magnetic encoder that offers 0.01 degree of accuracy. This is a product which we are going to launch very soon. This is an integrated payload which will have multi-sensor fusion technology, 360-degree rotation, AI-enabled hardware, H265 video compression. We will also offer a LRF option along with it. So EO-IR LRF would be one of the variants which is coming in this category. We have actually done a lot of trials. The journey of these 4 years has been really long, because a lot of crashes we have done, a lot of learnings have been, and we have tried to implement all those learnings back. And thankfully, our product is proven through various ground trials, air trials, and we have successfully received a big order from one of the companies. And yep, this is a snapshot of some in-house electronics, miniaturized electronics, which we develop, and it is part of the payload. And that's all. I promised I'll keep it short. We have a live demo at booth number 15. You all can witness the products there. We have both the products working there. Thank you.